What's up, friends, and welcome to this video. Friends, I will show you how to activate SmartPass on Emirates NBD. So friends, open your app on the mobile app and then sign up your account, and after that look for this option, activate SmartPass. Just click this one. If you not navigation, this option, you go to setting. If you don't have this option, go to setting and then click on security SmartPass, this option. After that, choose new pin, set up a new pin, guys. Click this one to confirm this option, and then set up new pin. After set up new pin, guys, you will choose set pin and then activate. You will receive OTP on one-time passcode to send you registered, and then click next, and then choose a new pin to activate your process OTP. And then guys, you will confirm secure, and the SmartPass will be ready to secure transaction. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like, share this video.